Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to assemble and install your CanaEdge products. Let's grab two CanaEdgers and place one over the other, nicely aligning the connectors. We'll then grab one of our metal connecting pieces and simply slide down in between the two edgers for a nice snug fit. So one of the nicest things about this product is, yes, it's durable, it's really strong, but it's also malleable, right? So I'm able to make a really nice curved edge here around this garden, which looks absolutely stunning. So to simply install it, all we're going to do is take some kind of soft hammer of sorts and begin from one end, hammering it into the ground. If you chose to purchase the extended nails and clips, I'm also going to show you how to install these. We'll take one clip, simply pushing it through the edger, and then driving our nail through the clip into the ground. This will really help keep the edgers grounded and in place.